How to wire up a 2-prong or 2-wire toggle switch. That's why you guys clicked on to come here. That's what I'm going to show you. This is what we do. Intro. So there are many different types of toggle switches and rocker switches. You have LED toggle switches. I have other videos for those things. This particular video is for wiring in a single toggle switch, just a 2-prong or a 2-wire toggle switch. We're gonna go over here to my dry erase board and I'm gonna show you some doodads. You have a light bulb which has positive and a negative lead, okay? That is your device you're trying to turn on. And then over here, you have positive and negative battery or power supply. We want that to go to that, okay? What we do know is if you take this positive lead and go straight to power, you take this negative lead and go straight to ground or ground locally, that light bulb will light right up and it'll never turn off because you do not have a switch. Your toggle switch sits like yay with one lead here and one lead here. You only need to break the circuit like that. When you flick this switch, it will disconnect internally so that your bulb or your device cannot see the power. It's not getting the power. There's no continuity that passes through here. This is the toggle switch, real world, in my hand. And if you look at the wires dangling off of this bad boy, one is black and one is red. The problem with that is that most people, probably you,
it was a mistake.
Most people see black as ground and red as power, and it's not. Look at the diagram. There is no power and there is no ground about that toggle switch. The purpose of a toggle switch, the only point of a toggle switch, is to wire in series and break a lead, okay? That means if we eliminate the toggle switch and we reconnect our wire, it's on. So that means that right now, if this is on, that's gonna turn it off, right? It doesn't matter if it's positive and it doesn't matter if it's negative. The purpose of the toggle switch is to break the lead. Where most people are messing up, you guys see red and you see black, and what you're doing is you're wiring your toggle switch like this. Putting your toggle switch like this, connecting it to positive and connecting it to negative because you see red and you see black. And so every time you flip that switch, you're causing a dead short. That's how you wire in toggle switches. Hopefully I have helped you guys out and you guys will throw me a thumbs up because you're fans. You throw me a thumbs up because I helped. I'm a fan of you guys too if you're staying to watch this far. I appreciate all of you guys coming to watch the videos. Elliot, my online car guy 1. Also, if you guys need to reach me, short of the descriptions below, which I'll put that toggle switch that I used, I'll put a link for that below too if you're into it. I am available on the My Guru app. I'm a guru there. Download it. The app is below as well. You can message me, you can follow me, you can ask me the questions, we can have a direct video call. I might be able to help you guys out with whatever it is you're working on, or you can just join me in our live broadcast. In any case, thank you for YouTubing, hanging out with us. Have a great day. I'm going home.